Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is for zodiac Sagittarius, and the question is what is going to happen in September 2020 for my dear Sagittarius. I am directly going towards the reading. I am going to shuffle your cards. Okay, my dear Sagittarius, your first card is High Priestess. In this month, you are going to have a lot of wisdom. You are doing things with wisdom, with cleverness, and you are very wise in this month. You are doing something with the wisdom, with the awareness, and your intuitions are very high. Your intuitions are telling you something about what you have want to do. If you want to do something, or uh, yes, you are doing here something with wisdom. You need this. If you are doing something over here in this month, you need the wisdom. You need the cleverness to do it. Otherwise, this situation will harm you. Okay, now you have the Page of Wands. You are attracted to something like with a childlike attraction. You want to do something here, or maybe you are in love with someone, and you are going to have, you are learning something over here, maybe about that person. How is that person, what did they like, what type of person he or she is. Maybe some, you are attracted to do something, you want to do something new, and that's why you need the wisdom over here. Okay, otherwise you will have some loss over this situation. Okay, but you have no strength in this situation to go towards that person, or if you like someone, you to propose them, you have no strength to do it. You don't know how to do it, or you don't have strength. You are feeling very shy, very confused. uh, you think that how can I say that to them. Okay, you need strength and wisdom over here in this situation. And then Four of Cups. Now in this, with this card, you are not missing someone over here, maybe because um, you know that you are going to have that person in your life, you are going to marry that person, you are going to propose that person. That's why you are not uh, um, missing someone over here. I want to clarify this card. um, Four of Pentacles upside down. Your Four of Cups, clarify by Four of Cups that you are not missing someone, you are not unhappy in this situation, and because you are going to propose that person, you are going to tell them that you love them, you are going to marry them, something like this. Something is happening over here. That's why you are not missing that person, but you have a burden over your shoulders, that how can I tell them, what can I say to them, what is going to happen if they know that you love them, something like that. Okay, I want to put some more card for you. Okay guys, now you are crying over some situation. I think you are thinking that they are not going to accept you, they are not going to say yes to you, or you are not able to do this thing, and that's why you are crying over here. And you are attracted toward that person or that thing. You want to begin something with money, some business, some job, something over here, partnership, or maybe you are attracted to some person, and you are so attracted towards that person, and you want to do it. Rather, you think that this is not going to be done, or this is not going to be happen, but you want to do it. You have a lot of desire to do it. Okay, and there is a stability in this relationship or this business, whatever you want to do over here. Okay, then with this Page of Swords, you are a childlike person. Once again, the page energy is a childlike energy, and you are going to propose that person. You are fighting for that thing to have it. You have have a desire, you are fighting for it, you are doing something over here, or maybe lying to others about that thing. And with wheel of fortune, you are definitely going to win this situation. You are definitely going to have this person. If you want to marry someone, you are going to have this person in your life. Or if this is some other situation, then you are going to win in this situation. You don't have to worry about it. You are going to win this situation. Now you had done a lot of things to have that person, to have a profit out of this situation, and the angels are answering your, or you are now waiting for the profit out of this situation. You had tell them that you love them, you propose them, and now you are waiting for to their answer, uh, what they shall tell you, what if they accept you or not. But you are, from me, accept my congratulations to you. You are going to win. Whatever the situation is, you are going to win in this situation. You are going to have that person in your life. This is the wish fulfillment card, and your wish is to whatever your wish is, it is going to be fulfilled, and you are going to succeed in this situation. Queen of Wands, you are you have all things in your, all the things in your life, money, happiness, children, uh, life partner, and you are now successful, and you are powerful, energetic in this card. You know that you are going to win, and uh, by winning this situation, you like this Empress. And at the bottom of the deck, you have Three of Swords. I don't know why is this card over here at the bottom of the deck. Maybe you have to leave someone to have this person, or to win this situation. I want to clarify this. Why is this Three of Swords is here? Three of Swords is here. Yes, you are. This is the situation that you are worried about in your first card. So you have no strength to tell them that you are in love with them, because you know that if you are going to propose them, someone is they don't want to have a relationship anymore with you. Okay, and but you are so stubborn to have that person in your life, and you are protecting your love towards that person. Someone had blocked you, they don't let you go towards that person, they don't let you marry that, or they don't let you begin some business. But there's someone, maybe your mother or your sister, someone, or maybe that person, someone is in love with you, they are caring for you, they are praying for you, they are telling you the right way, and now you have the cup for that person. Maybe this is the person you want to marry, or and they are of now their heart is going to fill with your love, and they also want to you to come towards them, you to propose them, and but you have to leave something, you have to end something over here to begin something new. Okay, if you are already married with someone else, then you have to first you have to divorce that person, then you will go to that person. Okay, and that's why you are having a lot of burden in your shoulders, but you are coming out of that situation. You are going to decide what you want to do, and when you decide it, you are coming out of that situation, because you will only think about one situation, not the two situations, or not for the two persons. Okay, and you are at this moment very alone, very thoughtful, what I shall do, which way I have to go, and but you have a desire to have that person in your life, and you definitely are going to leave someone, or someone is going to leave you at this situation, and then you are going to have a leap of faith towards other person that you want to go towards. Or if this is a money situation, then you first have to leave someone. Maybe you have to leave your family, your parents, your children, to make some money for them. Okay, and with this king of cups, you have lot of love for that person. There is this king and queen, the couple. You both are the couple for each other. You both are made for each other, and you are the set. You are the set. You are completing the set over here with these two cards. Okay, you are meant to be with each other. Okay, and you are searching for that person. What will I do if I leave that in my first my family or something, or if I um, can marry this person? What shall I do? You are searching for it. You want the help from others, and maybe someone is telling you what is good and what is bad. Maybe your parents are telling you. Okay, someone is teaching you. Definitely there is someone is teaching you the way to go towards that person, or to what you shall have to do in your life, what is good for you and what is not. And or maybe they are restricting you. This is also the part of restriction. And you have a lot of things hidden in yourself, and your wishes are going to be come true with this card. I'm going to end my reading with this card, and now I am going to take some oracle cards for you to have some clarity over this situation. Okay, you are stifled and bored with this situation that is going on. You if you are already married to some person, you are not happy with that person. You are getting this person is not like you. This person, their beliefs are different from you. Their styles, their attitudes, their energies are different from you. You both are not like each other. You want someone that is like you, that is your divine part. You want that person, and you are not looking for this person. This is not matching with your energies. That is not matching with your energies. And then some more cards for you. Okay, there is this deception card for you. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship, and if this is you, that you is not going to tell other person that you have someone else in your life. You are protecting that person, and then you have to show them. You have to tell them that you have someone else in your life, and you are not happy with this person, so that this person can make some decision and move from you. Okay, move towards someone else. Okay, tell them. Okay, and stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinkings and faith will bring you romance. Yes, please stay optimistic, stay positive. You will surely are going to marry that person. You have this Three of Swords card under these cards, and that means that you are definitely going to leave that person. You are having a third party situation over here, and you are going to leave someone one person in your life. Okay, past life relationship, you have known each other before. Yes, you definitely have known each other before. That's why you are leaving your present person for your past or future person. Okay. Okay, now I am going to get one more card for you. The outcome for this situation, the outcome for your reading. What is the outcome for this Sagittarius reading, in this reading? Okay, love and passion. Definitely, you are going to have the love and passion with that person, the new person that is entering in your life, that you are going to marry. You are going to propose that person, and you love them, and they have the passion for you. Okay, that is what I got for you, my dear Sagittarius, for the month of September 2020. And if you want to know more about this situation, you can watch my videos, and my previous videos or my upcoming videos. You can surely get some help from there with lots of love. Please like, share, subscribe my videos if you like this reading, or if you watched it, and this will make me happy. With lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.